Man, why is nothing activating?
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, northwestern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, southeastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:27 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Monticello to near Albany, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
Yeah.
Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Janesville, Fitchburg, Stoughton, Monroe, Oregon, McFarland,
I don't know.
Evansville, Broadhead,
Well,
Belleville, New Glarus,
no, I don't know it, but I can look it up.
Brooklyn, Monticello, Albany, Footville, Lake Ripley, Lake Koshkonong, and Fulton. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a special weather statement from the National Weather Service. Strong southerly winds today. The passing weather system will cause southerly winds to gust as high as 45 miles per hour at times.
Man, like 2 of my radios didn't activate.
Strong winds may
Actually,
lead to difficulty
technically 3, I
driving
think.
on west to east Oregon road